Did you know that you can make hibachi-style chicken right at home? The first thing you'll do is saute your mushrooms, onions, and zucchini. Season it with salt, pepper, and garlic powder and let it saute. Push it to the back of the pan, add the chicken, season it well, and let it cook through. Next, you're going to add 2 dollops of butter and some low-sodium soy sauce. Mix everything together until it's really well combined. Then you're going to make the yum-yum sauce and plate everything up. Add the rice, veggies, chicken, yum-yum sauce, sprinkle it with sesame seeds, and finish it with some chopped scallions. Guys, this recipe is so good. Follow Healthyish Foods for more.